Hello, welcome to another episode of Brandy Unboxed. Today we have a special delivery from O-School. My friend John, he has the same router setup as me, and he had got a router lift from them and wanted the same setup. So I reached out and they were down for an exchange if I just showed it off in the shop. So I want to show you guys. I haven't opened it yet to see what's inside. Instructions. It's like the thing to lift it up. Different faces for the different size bits. Ooh, that is nice. It's this cool orange color. Got the O-School logo on it. And put your router in there. They have ones that fit different router sizes. I have the Bosch for one of my routers, and that's what I wanted the second router to be. I've always wanted two router tables. It's been like my luxury dream of dreams because I make a bunch of cutting boards. So I'm constantly using the flush trim bit as well as the roundover bit. And I'm switching it out multiple times a day, and it really does slow down production. So that was a goal of mine, to have two router tables. Moved the camera down a bit because I wanted to show you the router table that is attached to my table saw. So this is the Harvey table saw with the router wing attachment, as well as the compass, the big eye compass fence for the router table. And you want to see the overall view? Okay. So here is the whole setup. I guess let's just do a quick drop in. I haven't done this yet to make sure I got the right size. I'm pretty sure it's a universal thing, but I've done stupid stuff before. Okay, it fits. Looking so pretty. Yeah, so this I've been waiting for. It's gonna lift up. This is the one we've been working with. It's fine, does the job. But there is a couple more things. They were kind enough to see if there's anything else I could use in my workshop. And of course, I'm gonna poke around and see if there is. There always is. There's always more you can use around the workshop. And they have these hold down clamps. Looks really nice. I love it's like a red-orange color. It matches my Harvey actually. So those are really nice. What's this? Forget already. Oh, nice. This is an auto switch. So I got two remotes. You can get a remote, and they sell extra remotes. So I'm gonna have this plugged into the dust collection by that other router table. And it also is hooked up to some of my sanders, so I can put these by the machines and just turn it on whenever I'm gonna use the dust collection, instead of having to run around the corner, turn it on, turn it off. Because I do still have multiple dust collections right now. It just works best for the shop setup that I have. And then the final thing I got is a really nice veneer edge banding iron. I had got one a while ago on Amazon. It seemed like a fire hazard, and I lent it to my friend, and I never got it back. So you know how that goes. So this is a really nice one. It even has its own little sock. So it has different temperatures it can go to, and this is like a little rest probably, so you don't get burned. There you go. Oh, can't see it. There you go. So that's all for today. Thank you, O School, for letting me show off some of your cool tools and helping out my little workshop here.